Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very cool and useful trick how to make your Swiss Army knife in a weight scale. First, take a ruler and mark on a paper or some other surface the centimeters. When you write the mark of the ruler on the paper, place it on vertical position. Now we must find the horizontally balance of the knife. Now the knife is on balance. So, place the tip of the fish scaler on 0. Take the object and hang it on the can opener. Okay, now we can see the tip of the fish scaler now is on 2 centimeters. So, with on college physics scale, the 2 centimeters is almost 20 grams. So, if an object weighs 10 grams, the tip of the scale shows us 1 centimeter. Let's do it again. Okay, now let's check the weight of the object to see how good is this weight scale of Swiss Army knife. So the ruler shows us 2 centimeters. So with the college physics scale, the weight of this object must be close to 20 grams. Okay, how you can see it's 23 grams. So the Swiss Army knife weight scale can show us very close the real weight of the object. I hope to join this trick. Thanks for watching.